What's the best way to earn by just clicking? And honestly, most options out there pay almost nothing. But there's one method that many people overlook, and that's called Timebox push clicks. And you can technically win up to $10 from a single click if you are lucky. So I have now logged into Timebox, and currently the push clicks can be found in the earnings section, and then they are called push clicks. And you can then see there is basically just a button, and all I need to do is then to click here, and then a new screen opens up, and that basically shows the sum of their other earning methods. I just need to click here to verify, and you can see then that's it. Now I have actually earned. And just to show you, you can then go to your completions in your profile there, and you can see clicks here approved. And in this case here, you can see I got $0.016 there. And the earnings are, in my opinion, quite generous compared to what you can usually get for clicking a link like that. For example, you can see you'll actually get a bonus based on yesterday's earnings. And at the same time, there is a chance, because it is a little bit like a lottery, you might actually win, you see, $1, $5, or $10. Of course, you have to be very lucky for that, but the chance is there.